I'm up on a roof doing a repair from wind damage right here. A handful of shingles blew loose right below these two pipe boots. And I want to show this video here. Maybe I need to shoot a video on how to do a pipe boot. But if you're installing a roof and you've got a drip groove that breaks right by a bottom flange of your pipe boot, it's a real good idea to cut that back to here or into the middle somewhere and put tabs in to offset it. You just don't ever want a drip groove near any sides of your pipe boots. And why, if you're asking, see that water trail coming down this? There's water that's going to be on this flange and it's going to be onto a shingle here. Well, when you have a drip groove lined up right there, you're just asking for water to get in. You lift this up, this headlap of that shingle only goes about 1.5 inches up. Get the camera in here maybe, get some light in there. You can see the old water trail. It's actually wet right now. Your last line of defense is your black paper or synthetic, whatever you've got. Just not a good setup. When your drip grooves line up with your pipe boot and you're installing it, cut them back, offset it. Put a tab in, offset your drip grooves so they're not right where your flange is. So again, just kind of cut this back right here and then put another tab in to offset that drip groove. You can always go back to your regular pattern, it's not a problem, but you don't want drip grooves at your pipe boots, flashing metal, anything that's diverting water. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see a pipe boot install, maybe I'll shoot it. Leave a comment below. Even if one person comments, I'll shoot one, even if it's on a mock-up stage. Have a good one. Oh, by the way, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And until next time, be safe and see you then.